Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence can revolutionize the way we create videos? Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is rapidly transforming various aspects of our lives. From self-driving cars to personalized online shopping experiences, AI is everywhere. But what about the world of video creation? Well, the future is here and it's more exciting than you might think. AI is poised to take video creation to new heights. It brings automation, which streamlines the process, making it faster and more efficient. It's all about creating more with fewer resources, less time, and less money. AI can analyze vast amounts of data quickly, allowing it to make smart decisions about what content will engage viewers the most. It can also create high-quality videos at a fraction of the usual cost, making it an invaluable tool for individuals and businesses alike. Imagine being able to create high-quality videos in a fraction of the time and cost. That's what AI brings to the table. Before we dive into the specifics of AI and video creation, we have a special feature for you. See that colorful button popping up on your screen now? Yes, that's our subscribe button. It's not just any button, it's a gateway to a world of knowledge and entertainment. By clicking it, you'll get instant access to our future videos and updates. We're continuously creating content that informs, educates, and entertains. We delve into various topics like AI, technology, and more, breaking them down in an easy-to-understand and engaging manner. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore more about AI and its different applications, delve into other technological advancements, and even provide more step-by-step guides like the one in this video. So if you enjoy our content, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It's animated, it's inviting, and it's waiting for your click. Remember, subscribing to our channel is the best way to stay updated and be part of our YouTube family. So, go ahead, click the subscribe button, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Now we'll guide you through the process of creating a video using AI. It's simpler than you might think. Let's dive right into the first step, choosing the right AI video creation software. There are several options available with varying features and capabilities. Some are suited for beginners, while others cater to more advanced users. The key is to find one that aligns with your needs and skill level. Look out for software that offers a user-friendly interface, a plethora of customization options, and of course, a robust AI engine. On to step 2, inputting your script or concept. This is where your creativity comes into play. You'll need to draft a script or outline the concept for your video. The more detailed it is, the better the AI software can understand and visualize it. You can include elements like dialogues, actions, transitions, even emotions. Remember, the AI is only as good as the data it's fed. Step 3 is all about letting the AI software do the work. Once you've input your script or concept, the AI takes over. It analyzes your input, processes it, and starts to create a video. The software generates scenes, animates characters, and even adds background music and sound effects. It's like having your personal video production team. Now we move to step 4, reviewing and editing the video output. No AI is perfect, and it's crucial to review the video it creates. You might need to make tweaks here and there to ensure the video aligns with your vision. Luckily, most AI video creation software allows for easy edits and adjustments. Finally, step 5, exporting and sharing your video. Once you're satisfied with your video, it's time to export it. You can choose the format that suits your needs, and then it's ready to be shared with the world. Whether you're looking to upload it on social media, your website, or any other platform, the process is straightforward and quick. And there you have it. In just 5 simple steps, you've created a video using AI. So, what does this all mean for you as a content creator or viewer? Well, the beauty of AI in video creation is that it offers immense potential. It's like having an extra pair of hands, or better yet, a full-fledged creative director assisting you. AI can automate tedious tasks, freeing up your time to focus on the creative aspects. It can analyze tons of data in a blink, helping you understand what your audience wants, thereby enabling you to create more engaging and relevant content. And the scope just doesn't stop at creation. AI can help your content reach a wider audience, tailoring your videos to different viewer preferences, making them more personalized and interactive. For viewers, this means a better viewing experience with content that's tailored to their preferences, interactive and engaging. So in essence, AI in video creation is a win-win for everyone involved. The future of video creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace the change and see your creativity soar.